So I'm going to explain how to set up this vet pump 2. And so you need to make sure you have all the pieces. This is the tubing that is used to irrigate and suction in the ear. This is the hand piece to control that tubing. You need the barrier filter to protect the machine from fluid. Suction lid, suction bottle, irrigation lid, irrigation bottle, and then tubings that run to that bottle. So to set this up, the first thing is you want to attach the brackets in the back, and then take the suction cap, and you'll put this bacterial filter or impermeable filter onto the side that has this heavier gauge cylinder, and then that'll go right on top of the suction bottle. And then the red cap, which is your irrigation cap, has this black gasket in it. It's important not to over tighten that so that it doesn't fold up on itself. But you'll fill this with saline, and then what I usually do is rotate the bottle until it's snug. And then once it's snug, you're good to go, and that can go into the irrigation bracket. Okay. Then you have to connect these tubes from the machine. So one is a male lure lock, one's a female lure lock. The female lure lock connects to the irrigation and insufflation side, and then this open tube connects to the top of this red bottle. Then the suction, which is the male lure lock, connects here, and then the other end has this gray cap, which then connects to that filter. Lastly, you'll connect the irrigation tube, which is the blue tube, into this 90-degree angled port right here. And it's important to note that if you go to disconnect it, you want to squeeze this little ring in here to pull it out. Don't pull it out without doing that. Then lastly, you put this suction tube to that suction bottle. Then your blue tube will match up with this blue dot here. And what you'll want to do is push down both buttons, push in this metal nipple, and that will keep these buttons down and the guillotines up so that you can load this tube into the handpiece. You want to make sure the tube's completely under the guillotine, and then pull it in till it clicks and it's in position. Once it's in position, click both buttons, and now you can turn on the machine and begin to use it.